Hey everyone, it's Dr. Jess. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss chemical equilibrium. We will also go over how to calculate the equilibrium constant. If you like these types of videos, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploaded videos. Okay, let's get started. So, what is chemical equilibrium? We can use the concept of what is called a reversible reaction to explain chemical equilibrium. So, what is a reversible reaction? A reversible reaction proceeds in both the forward and the reverse direction. So, in the forward direction, the reactants are converted into products. And then in the reverse reaction, the products are converted into reactant. Okay, so when the molecules of the reactant, when they begin to react to form products, then in that case, the rate of the forward reaction is faster. But then as the reactants get consumed, the rate of the forward reaction starts to decrease, and then the rate of the reverse reaction starts to increase. At one point though, which is chemical equilibrium, the rate of the forward and the reverse reaction will be equal. So chemical equilibrium is really when the rate of the forward and the reverse reaction are equal. How do you calculate the equilibrium constant? Well, there is a formula, an expression for reversible chemical reactions that lets you calculate the equilibrium constant, or Kc. So to calculate Kc, what you do is you multiply all the concentrations of all the products and then divide by the concentrations of all the reactants. In addition to that, you have to raise each concentration to a power that's equal to its coefficient in the balanced chemical equation. So let's look at an example to make sure that we understand this. So let's look at the chemical equation below. H2 plus I2 equals 2HI. So here we have two reactants, right? H2 and I2. And then we have one product, HI. So to calculate Kc is, remember, you multiply the concentration of all the products. So here we only have one product, HI. So we have HI, and then you have to raise each concentration to a power that is equal to its coefficient in the chemical equation. So what is HI coefficient in the chemical equation? 2. So you have to raise the concentration of HI to a power of 2. And then on the bottom, you have to multiply the concentration of all the reactants. In this case, you have two reactants, H2 and I2. And since their coefficient is 1, so that's why you don't see anything, they don't have anything raised to a power. So technically, it's raised to the power of 1. Let's look at a practice together. Write the equilibrium expression for the following reaction. 2SO2 plus O2 equals 2SO3. So how do you calculate the equilibrium constant, Kc? So again, we use the formula that we just talked about. So you multiply the concentrations of all the products. In this case here, we only have one product, which is SO3. And then you have to raise it to which power in this case? It's going to be 2 because 2 is its coefficient in the chemical equation, divided by, you multiply the concentration of all the reactants. So in this case, you have two reactants, SO2. In SO2, you raise it to which power? 2, because 2 is SO2's coefficient in the chemical equation, and then times O2. So O2, its coefficient is 1. So no power, really power of 1, but you don't have to write it. Let's look at another practice together. So you have the equation below, and the question is, what is the value of Kc if a reaction mixture at equilibrium contains 0.45 molar N2O4 and 0.31 molar NO2. So to calculate Kc, again, same formula. So concentration of all the products. So we have one product here, NO2, raised to power of 2, because 2 is the coefficient in the chemical equation. And then divide by the concentration of all the reactants. So we have one reactant here, N2O4, and raised to the power of 1, and you don't have to write the 1. So this is going to equal to, what is the concentration of NO2? It's 0.31 square divided by 0.45. And your answer is going to be 0.21. Okay, that's it for today. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploaded videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!